Hey guys, this is Josh with Wilson Built Construction. I'm a custom home builder here in Utah, and one of the really fun products that we get to put into these homes are the Legrand fast chargers, specifically the 65-watt charger and a 15-watt charger, and why it's so important during the design phase to put these two products in different places. All right guys, so during the pre-construction process, we found on other projects that a bedroom or the master bedroom is a perfect area to put the 15-watt charger. This type of room and area is perfect for this. We can put it next to the bed, next to the nightstands, and it's honestly perfect. All right, guys, so we're standing in the kitchen of the custom home we're currently building here. And one of the things that we had a lot of pre-thought about is where you put these 65-watt USBs. And the reason for that is, this is a higher traffic area. A lot of people are going to be coming in and out, changing out their products, their phones. So we want to be able to charge things a little bit quicker in an area like this versus a 15-watt charger that's a little bit more slow. This is a great area for something like this product. All right, guys, so now we are standing in the office of the home. This is honestly a really, solid hybrid room to use both the 65-watt and 15-watt USB, just because, you might have some products that require a little bit faster charging. You have more computers, phones that we can put, here underneath the desk. And then, the ones around the room, other outlets, or that might not require so much power, we can put the lower watts. So this is a really, really good hybrid room. All right, guys, so for the past couple of years, I've really enjoyed using the Legrand 65-watt and 15-watt USBs and outlets. These things are rated right, built right, and I feel really confident putting these in all the homes that we build. And I can tell that my customers feel the same exact way, and I will continue to use these for a long time.